Akureyri is a town often described as the capital of North Iceland. It has a population of about 20,000 and is the largest town we visited outside Reykjavik. I didn't get a chance to explore the town as I had chosen a 7-hour tour of the Waterfalls of the North, following attending the very interesting talk on waterfalls by Glynda Easterbrook. We crossed over the head of the fjord, viewing the port and the ship and proceeding by a scenic route to the first waterfall, the Goðafoss Waterfall, or Waterfall of the Gods.
11,000 years. So if you look about, well, 1/4 up into the mountains here on the left-hand side, you can see that there is a line along the mountain. There was so much ice at the front of the valley that the water from the melting ice at the end of Ice Age did not flow into the ocean. So this all here in front of us was just one huge lake.
From the parking area, we walked alongside the river to the waterfall.
Oh, it is. It's great fun to dance. Yeah.
It is.
Goðafoss is a horseshoe-shaped waterfall, 12 metres high and about 30 metres wide. The top viewpoint gave a good panoramic view across this wide waterfall. To get a lower view meant descending some rather steep steps. And politeness seemed to go out of the window for some.
What's his name? And there was an English World Cup match on, or European, and they were, I went to see it, they were. No, that's okay. No worries.
Thank you.
Going down to this lower level gave a different perspective. I headed back and went over the bridge, over the river, to get some views from the other side. There was a gate in the middle of nowhere. Even this small waterfall was quite impressive. We moved on to the Goðafoss Waterfall. We left the bus park behind us and set off across what was rocky terrain, although the path was well made. The spray from the waterfall could be seen in the distance. We were heading into the wind, and there was quite a lot of dust. I should have kept my glasses on. The landscape was quite rugged, with about a kilometre walk to the viewpoint. I initially took the rougher path of the options, although my intention, which I achieved, was to go to the two Goðafoss viewpoints, followed by a walk towards Waterfalls Waterfall. You could see that the dust was affecting people. A walkway had started to be constructed. The latter part was available, but they were still working on the early parts. Goðafoss is the second most powerful waterfall in Europe after the Rhine Falls. It has a 45-metre drop and is 100 metres wide, with an average flow of 193 cubic metres per second. This waterfall featured in the opening sequence of the sci-fi film Prometheus, the prequel to Alien. There's more information in the notes. The second viewpoint gave a different angle, and you can see the scale of the waterfall by the people on the opposite side. Waterfalls Waterfall is only a few hundred metres upstream of Goðafoss and is another horseshoe-shaped falls. It has an 11-metre drop with a width of, again, about 100 metres. I only went far enough to get a reasonable view. Then back to the bus for the journey back to the ship.